Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see admission notification. Here comes the UG integrated courses as well as 3-year B.Ed. So it is an integrated course, and then PG diploma courses we are going to see in this video. So here comes the university, Central University of Kashmir. So it has come under this USET. So we'll see the courses what all are there. So you can see that the BA LLB integrated LLB course which has been offered by the Central University of Kashmir. So 44 seats are there. BSc MSc in physics, BSc MSc in mathematics. So here comes the 44 and 50 seats. You can see that integrated zoology. So it is 44 seats, and then you can see that biotechnology is having 44 seats. So here the B.Ed M.Ed integrated course, it is 3 years. So the intake capacity is 50 seats. You can see that then the next level is Bachelor of Vocational Program. So here the Bachelor of Vocational in Retail and Logistic Management, it is 62 seats. You can see the Tourism and Hospitality Management, there are 62 seats. So if you would like to get admission, then please do apply through online. If you would like to get more admission notification, please do subscribe to Revamp YouTube channel. Thank you.